Okay, arborist quick tip. A lot of people have cedar trees and they're having trouble with them. They're asking me, you know, hey, my tree's turning a little bit brown, is it dying? And the answer is you need to water it. The wind will dry out and cause it to get little bits of brown on the end of it. And that's just from drying out. That's winter desiccation. So you need to make sure you're watering your trees. Second question that I get is, how do I deal with bagworms? And the best way to deal with bagworms, like this little guy right here, is just right now, pull them off, throw them in the bucket. If you can get rid of all the little egg sacs, which are what those are right now, they cocoon up, they lay all their eggs in there. Sacs are all full of eggs. The more of those you can get rid of, the less you're going to have to worry about.